हाय एवरीवन। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 तक देखा था। नाउ 8 नंबर, सपोज एक्स हैज अ बायोनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बी ऑफ एन पी, एन इज इक्वल टू 6 एंड p is equal to 1 by 2. That means q is equal to 1 by 2. Show that x is equal to 3 is the most likely outcome. n is equal to 6 means number of value of r is equal to 6. तो हम r is equal to 0 to लेके 6 तक सारी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे। उसमें एट n is equal to 6 हमको एट x is equal to 3 हमको क्या मिलेगी, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू मिलेगी। क्लियर। तो नाउ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0, p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 0, r की वैल्यू 0 ले लेते हैं तो 6c0 q रेस टू n माइनस आर, 6 माइनस 0 रेस टू 0, 6c0 1, 1 by 2 रेस टू 6, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 ज़ा 8, 2 ज़ा 16, 2 ज़ा 32, 2 ज़ा 64, 1 by 64 into 1, then result is 1 by 64. Now taking x is equal to 1, clear. तो x is equal to 1, that means 6c1, तो 1 by 2 raised to 6 minus 1, 1 by 2 raised to 1 बराबर 6 into 1 by 2 raised to 5 into 2, that means 1 by 64, 6 by 64. Now in third case p of x is equal to 1, 2, तो 6c2 1 by 2 raised to 6 minus 2, 1 by 2 raised to 2, 6c2 6 5 divided by 2 into 1 multiply 1 by 2 raised to 4 into 1 by 2 raised to 2, 2 3 is 6, 5 3 is 15, divided by 2 raised to 6, again 2 raised to 6, 64. Now taking x is equal to 3, 6c3 1 by 2 raised to 6 minus 3, 1 by 2 raised to 3, 6 3 means 6 5 4 3 2 1 into 1 by 2 raised to 3 into 1 by 2 raised to 3, 3 2 is 6, 6 cut 5 4 is 20 by 64. Clear. Now p of x is equal to 4, 6c4 1 by 2 raised to 6 minus 4, 1 by 2 raised to 4, 6c4, that means 6 5 4 3 4 3 2 1, cut 3 2 is 6, 1 by 2 raised to 2, 1 by 2 raised to 4, that means 15 by 64 बराबर 5 2 ज़ा 10, सॉरी 3 2 ज़ा 6, 2 3 ज़ा 6. Clear. Now p of x is equal to 5, 6c5 1 by 2 raised to 6 minus 5, 1 by 2 raised to 5, 6c5, that means 6 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 raised to 5, that means 6 by 64. Now p of x is equal to 6, 6c6 1 by 2 raised to 6 minus 6 0 and 1 by 2 raised to 6, that means 6 into 1 into 1 by 2 raised to 6. Clear. 6 is 6 1, sorry, तो रिजल्ट मिलेगा 1 अपन 64. Clear. At x is equal to 3, 20 by 64 is a mostly like outcome. Hence p of x is equal to 3, 20 by 64 most likely outcome. क्लियर, उसकी वैल्यू मैक्सिमम मिलेगी कंपेयर टू अदर्स वैल्यू. क्लियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, 9 number, in a multiple choice examination with the 3 possible answer for each of the 5 questions, what is the probability that candidate would get a 4 or more correct answer? So number of questions are 5, that means n is equal to 5. Clear. Now second one is 3 possible answers. तो एक MCQ के अंदर ऑप्शन 3 है. क्लियर. बट आप कोई भी एक ही ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. तो मेरा P 1/3 हो जाएगा. देन Q इज इक्वल टू 1 minus 1/3, that means 2/3. Now what is the probability that candidate would get 4 or more correct answer? 4 or more correct answer, that means P of x greater than or equal to 4, that means P of x is equal to 4 plus P of x is equal to 5, because here maximum questions are 5. क्लियर. तो 5 से ज़्यादा तो हम लिख नहीं सकते. क्लियर. नाउ इफ x इज इक्वल टू 4 है तो 5c4, q इज इक्वल टू 2/3, 5 minus 4 इंटू 1/3 रेज टू 4 प्लस 5c5, 2/3, 5 minus 5 and 1/3 raised to 5. 5c4 equal to 5, multiply 2/3 into 1/3 raised to 4 plus 5c5 1, 2/3 raised to 5 minus 5 0, 1/3 raised to 5. क्लियर. तो here 5 2s are 10, divide by 3 into 3 raised to 4 plus 1 upon 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5, that means 243 plus 1 upon 243, result is 11 upon 243. Clear. Now next one, person buy a lottery ticket in a 50 lotteries, in each of the which is chances of a winning a prize is 1/100. Number of tickets are 50, that means n is equal to 50. Number of win chances, so P is equal to 1/100. Then Q is equal to 1 minus 1/100, that means 99/100. What is the probability that he win prize, that means वो मेरी P प्रोबेबिलिटी P हो जाएगी, मतलब मेरी सक्सेसफुल इवेंट. फर्स्ट केस है एटलीस्ट वंस, एटलीस्ट वो 1 टाइम क्या जीतना चाहिए. क्लियर. एटलीस्ट 1 टाइम जीते या मोर देन 1 टाइम जीते. क्लियर. बट एटलीस्ट 1 टाइम वो जीतना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स कि P ऑफ x लेस और इक्वल टू 1. तो P ऑफ x इक्वल टू 1 क्या होगा. P ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 1, P ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 2, अप टू सो ऑन. P ऑफ टिकट टोटल कितनी है 50, तो x इज इक्वल टू 50. तो ये कैलकुलेशन मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी हो जाएगा, तो मैं फाइंड आउट करता हूँ P ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 0, क्योंकि टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 हो जाती है 0 टू लेके 50 लॉटरी टिकट की. क्लियर. तो उसमें से मैं 0 वाला पोर्शन क्या कर देता हूँ, 1 में से कट कर देता हूँ, तो रिमेनिंग मुझे x ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1 मिल जाएगा. व्हेन x इज इक्वल टू 0, 50c0, 99 डिवाइड बाई 100, 50 minus 0, that means 50. Clear. And 1/100 raised to 0, तो 50c0 क्या हो जाएगा 1, तो 99/100 raised to 50. क्लियर. तो देन P ऑफ x ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1 क्या हो जाएगा 1 minus 99/100 raised to 50. क्लियर. Now second case, exactly once, that means P of x is equal to 1. तो 50c1, 99 divided by 100, 50 minus 1 and 1/100 raised to 1. 50c1, that means 50 into 99/100 raised to 49 into 1/100. 50 2s are 100, that means 1/2, 99 divided by 100 raised to 49. In third case, C, at least twice. Clear? तो P of x less than or equal to 2. P of x less than or equal to 2, that means क्या होगा कि 2 और more than 2. Clear? तो 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1. दोनों को 1 में से कट कर दूँ तो 2 और more than 2 वाली वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. तो 1 at P of x is equal to 1 equal to क्या है 1/2 99 divided by 100 raised to 49 plus 1 minus 99 raised to 100 divided by 50 divided by 100 raised to 50. तो 1 minus 99 divided by 100 raised to 49 common. 1/2 plus 99 divided by 100 is remaining. Then result is 1 minus 99 divided by 100 raised to 49 बराबर LCM लेंगे तो 102 का LCM आएगा 100 50 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो न्यूमेरेटर में मेरी वैल्यू आ जाएगी 99 plus 50 149. Clear? My final answer. Clear? Now next question. 11 number. Find the probability of getting a 5 exactly twice in a 7 thrown of a die. तो n is equal to क्या है 7. Clear? 5 exactly. तो p is equal to 1. 5 is only one number. तो p is equal to 1/6. q is equal to 5/6 हो जाएगा. Clear? Twice बराबर तो 2 टाइम मिलना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स r is equal to 2. तो p of x is equal to 2. 7cr that means 2. q 5/6 raised to 7 minus 2 and 1/6 raised to 2. 7c2 means 7 into 6 divided by 2 into 1. 5/6 raised to 5 into 1/6 raised to 2 36. 6 2s are 36. Clear? Now calculate 7/4 into 5/6 raised to 5 my answer. Now next one. Find the probability of throwing at most 2 sixes in a 6 throw of a single die. तो ये 12 नंबर के क्वेश्चन में n इज इक्वल टू क्या है 6. क्लियर? तो 2 सिक्सेस मैक्सिमम 2 सिक्सेस आनी चाहिए. तो 6 इज ओनली वन नंबर. तो डाई के लिए प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/6 बराबर सक्सेसफुल इवेंट और फेलियर 5/6 हो जाएगा. क्लियर? तो मैक्सिमम 2 आनी चाहिए. एट मोस्ट 2 बोला है. क्लियर? तो इसके लिए क्या हो जाएगा p ऑफ x लेस और इक्वल टू 2. दैट मीन्स p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 2. मुझे एक भी बार 6 नंबर नहीं मिल रहा है. शायद एक बार मिलता है और शायद 2 बार भी मिल सकता है. तीनों का क्या करना है एडिशन करना है. क्लियर? इन फर्स्ट केस टेकिंग r इज इक्वल टू 0 6c0. क्लियर? 5/6 raised to 6 and 5/6 raised to 6 minus 0 and 1/6 raised to 0. In second case 6c1 5/6 raised to 6 minus 1 into 1/6 raised to 1 plus 6c2 5/6 raised to 6 minus 2 into 1/6 raised to 2. तो नेक्स्ट टर्म 6c01 5/6 raised to 6. Here 1 plus 6c1 6 into 5/6 raised to 6 minus 1 5 into 1/6 plus 6c2 6 multiply 5 divide by 2 5/6 raised to 4 into 1/36. 5 by 6 raised to 4 common, minimum power 4. Clear? So here 5 by 6 raised to 2, 6 cut, plus 5 by 6 plus 6 6 are 36, 5 plus 6 2 are 12. Clear? 5 by 6 raised to 4, here 25 by 36 plus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 12. LCM of 6, 36 and 12 is 36. Clear? 36, 25 as it is, 6 6 are 6 5 are 30, 12 3 are 36, 5 3 are 15. Then result is 25 plus 15 40, 40 plus 30 70 by 36, your answer. Clear? Now next, maybe answer is like that, 5 by 6 raised to 4 divided by 2 upside downside, that means 35 5 is 70 and 18 2 are 36. तो ये भी आंसर सही है, ये भी सही है, बट यहाँ तक हमको कैलकुलेट करना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, 13 number. It is known that 10% of the certain articles manufactured are the defective. What is the probability that in a random sample of 12 articles 9 are defective? 10% of certain articles, that means मेरी सक्सेसफुल इवेंट 10 by 100. क्लियर? तो 1 by 10. तो मेरी फेलियर इवेंट क्या हो जाएगी? 1 minus 1 by 10, that means 9 by 10. Clear? What is the probability that in random sample of 12, n is equal to 12 and 9 articles are defective, that means r is equal to 9. So now p of x is equal to 9, 12cr, and here 12c9, q raised to 9 by 10, q raised to n minus r, 12 minus 9 into q raised to n minus r, it is p raised to r. Clear? 12c9 means 12 into 11, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial divided by 9 factorial. Clear? Into 9 by 10 raised to 12 minus 9, 12 minus 9, that means 3 into 1 by 10 raised to 9. तो ये 9 कट 9 कट, 12 into 11 into 10, 9 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 11, 12 into 11 into 10, then 9 factorial cut into n factorial n minus r factorial into r factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 11 2s are 22, 2 to 0 into 9 raised to 3, 10 raised to 12. So then result is 2 2 into 9 raised to 3, एक 0 कट कर लेते हैं, तो 10 raised to 11 my final answer. Clear? Now 14 number. 14 number MCQ. In a box containing 100 bulbs, 10 are defective. The probability that out of a sample of 5 bulbs, none is defective. That means n is equal to 5. P is equal to defective bulb की probability find out करनी है. 100 bulbs है, 10 defective है, तो 1 by 10 मेरी क्या हो जाएगी? सक्सेसफुल probability, मतलब सक्सेसफुल इवेंट P. Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10, that means 9 by 10, and none is defective, that means R equal to 0. So our equation is P of x is equal to 0, 5C0 q raised to 9 by 10 raised to n minus r, that means 5 into 1 by 10 raised to r, that means 0. So result is 5C0 1 into 9 by 10 raised to 5 into 1, then result is 9 by 10 raised to 5. Correct option is C. Clear? C is my correct option. Now next MCQ. The probability the students is not a swimmer is 1 by 5. Then the probability that out of 5 students 4 are swimmer. तो यहाँ पे probability जो swimmer नहीं है ना उसकी दी गई है, तो swimmer है उसकी probability क्या हो जाएगी 1 minus 1 by 5, that means 4 by 5. क्लियर? और जो नॉन स्विमर है उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है 1 by 5. इसमें रिवर्स प्रोबेबिलिटी दी गई है. n इज इक्वल टू 5 स्टूडेंट्स है, उसमें r इज इक्वल टू 4 स्टूडेंट्स क्या है स्विमर है. तो p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 4 NCR यानी कि 5C4 इंटू Q 1 by 5 है, 5 माइनस 4 इंटू 4 by 5 रेज टू 4. That means 5C4 equal to 5 into 1 by 5 into 4 by 5 raised to 4. Clear? तो 4 by 5 raised to 4 5C4 clear into 1 by 5 clear. तो ये 5C4 इज इक्वल टू तो यही हो जाता है 5 हो जाएगा. क्लियर? तो ये मेरा ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा. 5C4 लिखो अदरवाइज 5 लिखो, बोथ आर सेम. क्लियर? तो ये क्या हो गया 1 by 5 तो एज इट इज, 4 by 5 रेज टू 4 एज इट इज, 5C4 को एज इट इज हम रखते हैं. तो ये हो गया मेरा ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर. क्लियर? नाउ एक्सरसाइज 13 नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे.